Hello, welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we are going to talk about the difference between a split king adjustable base and I'll show you down the way a king adjustable base. The biggest difference with a split king and a regular king is, if you can see here, there's a specific separation between the two. You can have two different sleep sets with you or your partner where you can have your head up wherever you want and your feet, and your partner can have their own custom setting as well. The difference between the king and split king, and when we walk down there I'll show you, it's one full adjustable base. What you get there is two less motors and it's significantly cheaper. The downfall is that if you buy a regular king and then down the road you decide that you want to go to a split king assortment, you got to buy two brand new twin XLs. So I always recommend, even if you're going to have a king setup, to always just buy two split twin XLs because they will last longer than your mattress, and down the road you'll save yourself some money. So let's go check out a king mattress really quick. So this is a standard king setup. As you can see on the front one over there, it had a separation. This has no separation, but is the same size as a king mattress. What you're going to get on a split king is you're going to have two motors, but you're going to have a twin XL and a twin XL. So 4 motors and 2 control boards. With a king setup, you're only going to have 2 motors and 1 control board, and that's the majority of the price here, and that's why you save money. So if you insist on having a king, you'll save yourself some money and you won't have to pay, and sometimes $300 up to $1,000 more. But what I always recommend is buying 2 twin XLs if you buy a king, just because you never know what your sleeping arrangement will be down the road. That's Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments and we'll answer them next week. See ya.